A non-straight line includes curves.
No, it doesn't.
So today we're going to talk about one of my favourite flat earthers, Sleeping Warrior. Now, it's difficult to find somebody this stupid, even on the internet. If I'd made as many public mistakes as this guy, I would never show my face again. Anyone who's been around the flat earth community will be familiar with Sleeping Warrior's famous mistakes. The most famous one being when he was asked what the internal angles of an equilateral triangle are, and he needed to pull up a triangle calculator for this. This debate is from a video from ages ago on Ranty Flat Earth's channel. Sleeping Warrior is debating the Rumpus about the Black Swan image, and he doesn't seem to understand what deviate from a straight line means. So let's have a look at this.
Page 1, the start of it, part 1, mathematics of light trajectory. It is well known that Earth's atmosphere is not homogeneous. As a result, light travelling in the atmosphere will undergo refraction, and the travelling path will, and this is the key bit, deviate from a straight line. It does not say it follows a curved path.
That's the opposite of a straight line, Anthony. It's very easy.
No. Listen, deviating from straight is what you would do when you're
non-straight, yes.
No. Listen, it's what you would do when you're trying to draw a straight line without using a ruler. So, for example, I'll bring
all it's saying is non-straight lines are non-straight. Jesus Christ, look, how can you get so confused about something so simple?
So a deviation from, if I'm trying to draw a straight line, that's a deviation from straight, right? Yeah. But it's not a curve because it's deviating in all directions from straight. Fermat says it deviates from a straight line.
And that includes curves. Jesus
No, it doesn't.
Christ.
Otherwise,
yes,
it would
does.
say...
You stupid twat. A non-straight line includes curves. And that Fermat's principle demonstrates how curves occur.
Does it follow a curved path or does it deviate from straight?
It'll do whatever's required. It'll follow a curved path, is that required? Or a straight path, or whatever shape.
Can you show us where it says curve?
It can be any shape which includes curves.
No, it doesn't include, because if it was any shape including curve, it would describe it that way, but it's not described that way. How is it described in this paper?
Understanding of science and maths.
When it says Fermat's principle deviates from a straight line, is that deviating from straight or is it conforming to a curve?
It's doing both.
No, it's not. It's doing one.
That is a deviation from straight. What on earth are you talking about?
That's following a curved path.
It's also deviating from straight.
No, it's not. A deviation from straight is a wobble.
It's very simple English. A straight line is straight. If it's not straight, it's deviating from straight. What don't you understand about that?
You're demonstrating a curve and claiming that's deviating from straight.
Yes,
but deviating from straight doesn't mean following a curved path. It means a wiggly line like I drew.
No, Anthony, it's a subset. The straight. Hold on, listen. This is just basic logic. There is straight, and then there's not straight. In the things of not straight, the set of things that are not straight, curves are included.
Right. So Fermat's principle. I showed where it says it deviates from a straight line. Would you like to see that again so that we get the word? Because words are important, Rumpus, right?
Absolutely, and you don't understand them.
Okay, so we need to do it again. So let's just show what it says. As a result, light travelling in the atmosphere will undergo refraction, and the travelling path, and this is the key bit, will deviate from a straight line. It doesn't say follow a curved path.
But Anthony, you don't seem to understand basic English. Something that's not a straight line can be any shape that isn't a straight line. I mean,
I'll do it again.
A 5-year-old would understand this.
This is a deviation from straight, Rumpus.
Yes,
and what you're doing, Rumpus,
from straight. They're both deviating from straight. None of the lines you've got on there are straight. They're all deviating straight. Anthony, a deviation from a straight line is anything that's not a straight line.
No. Rumpus needs to argue that The image on screen right now is non-standard refraction, okay? Now, for him to argue that it's non-standard refraction, he's got to support it with some science to demonstrate what is going on in the picture.
Well, that's what the wiggles in the crane do. That's
no, they're variations from a straight line, and they're supporting standard refraction.
That's non-standard refraction.
No, it's not. What you're demonstrating is my point, which is non-standard, which is normal refraction, normal effects, where it deviates from straight. Under standard circumstances, that's standard refraction. The effects are negligible. If you can't demonstrate where there is extreme refraction, then it's not non-standard refraction. It's standard refraction where the effects are negligible. The point Rumpus needs to demonstrate is that this is non-standard refraction. Otherwise, if it's not non-standard refraction, he can't add any amount of refraction he wants. It is not non-standard refraction. What you're looking at here is negligible refraction. There is no evidence of non-standard refraction. Yeah. All of the images that he's got on screen, all of the light rays that he's got on screen now, all of them are following a curved trajectory. None of them are deviating from straight. The definition of Fermat's principle states that the light deviates from straight.
Which is what
it does not state that it forms a curve or
Anthony,
can be interpreted
you don't seem to understand
curved.
basic English. Not straight includes everything that's not straight, which includes a curve. You should be understand what the word not means, and not straight or deviating from straight, which is effectively the same thing, includes the set of things that are curved.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Oh my God.
Deviating from straight is not the same as deviating from curve.
Anything that deviates from not zero is a curve.
No, it's not. Deviating from straight is not a curve. It's a wiggly line. No, none of them curves are deviating from straight. They're all deviating from curve.
But as a curve is deviation from a straight line.
It isn't. Deviating from straight is...
twat.